Well, hello there, Richard here. I'm just going to be heading out to get my new tires. So we're putting some new tires on the BMW F800GS. So what we've got here on this particular bike that we're going to swap out today is the rear tire and the front tire. They're a little bit different right now. We've got a Bridgestone Battle Axe Adventure on the rear. And I've had it out a few times on the asphalt. Nice tire, definitely. Moving to the front, we're going to be swapping out the Metzler Tourag next. Or sorry, Tourance next. Well, there are the new tires. Yeah, I've heard some good things about these tires, so I'm quite excited to get them on there. If anything, they're just going to look nasty. If anything, they're just going to look good. So I'll take these off and put the other ones on. Well, here we are. We just finished putting the new tires on the bike. I'm about to show you these tires. These are awesome. We just had them done here at actually Cycle BC Rental here in Vancouver. They do have adventure bikes and street bikes for rent. So if you're looking for a place to rent a bike to do British Columbia or the Lower Mainland, this is the place to go. Let's take a look at these tires. So here's the sweet looking machine. I mean, my goodness, does it ever look good now with these tires? I mean, it just looks good. Let's take a look at it, especially in this color. All right, so these are now the Heidenau K60s, and those look just mean. I'm looking forward to getting on this bike in the dirt. Of course, I have to be a little careful for the first few 100 kilometers just because they're a little bit slippery as they break in. So there we are. There's the bike with the new tires, and it's looking pretty sweet. Again, if you're looking for a bike rental, come by and check out Cycle BC in Vancouver, Canada.